Hey guys, Willem from Blyberg Snake Rescue here. This is a juvenile, a baby brown water snake that a Sunset Beach resident found in their garden, and they called me to come and fetch it from them. These snakes are completely harmless. They don't have venom at all. They're constrictors, and they feed on tadpoles, frogs, small fish, sometimes rodents, and you find them all over Cape Town pretty much. I've seen them everywhere: Milnerton, Tableview, Parklands, Melkbos, and this one is still tiny. I'm just going to put my hand next to it so you can see. Really small still. Even so, don't ever pick up any snakes. Even a baby Cape Cobra is still venomous, so if you don't know how to ID snakes, if you haven't done a course, don't pick up any snakes thinking they're harmless just because they're small. Let me just try and get this guy here. There we go, and I'll show you a couple of characteristics for recognizing this species. So you'll see that he has a darker back, and he's got that pinkish orange, almost orangey belly over there. And if you look at his head, if he's going to give us a chance, you'll see he's got these really big eyes that kind of stick out as well. Hold on. Oh, come on, little guy. Play along. There we go. There you go. Oh, you had him there for a second. Okay, so there you can see the nice big eyes that they have as well. And then you'll generally find them in flay areas, around ponds, anywhere where you're likely to encounter frogs and so on. Okay, so I'm just going to take a couple of photos, and then I'm going to go and release this little guy.